A is shorter than only two persons. A is shorter than only two persons. Means A is going to be in the third question. And F is taller than only E. Means F is going to be here. E is going to be here. Now, is this enough to tell us who's the tallest? No. So it is not statement number 1. It is not option number 1. Okay, fine. Let us take the statement number 2. C is taller than only two persons. C is taller than only two persons. Means where is going to be C? 1, 2. C is going to be taller than only two persons. D is taller than C. D is taller than C. So D is taller than C. It can be this way, but shorter than B. So, but shorter than B means, so B can be here, B can be here. But even this statement doesn't tell us who is the tallest. Who is the tallest? Now, if you combine these both, is it going to give us a result? Or let us see. Okay. Now, A is shorter than only two persons in the A is shorter than only two persons. So A is over here and shorter than only. F is taller than only E. Okay, fine. So now the next statement given is C is taller than only two persons. C is taller than only two persons means C is going to be here. C is going to be here. D is taller than C. D is taller than C, but shorter than B. But shorter than B. So D is going to be here, taller than B, but shorter than B. So this gives us the entire answer for the given question. So now this tells us B is the tallest in the group. So the option is going to be data in both statements 1 and 2 together are necessary to answer. Clear? Or any doubts? Even if one statement is not able to give you the answer conclusively, then you need to go and check for the entire. Fine. Online clear? Yes? No?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now before I start this, let me just go back to your basics and we'll see how well you remember the. Now coming to your blood relation kind of thing. Only 2 questions based on blood relation. Blood relation. Fine. So now in blood relation, the only 2 options we have is a male and a female. A male is represented by a square and a female is represented by a circle. So this is only for representation purpose. If in case you are familiar or you are comfortable with something else, example plus, minus, triangle, trapezium, whatever you want, you can put it up. It is up to you people. Okay. Now the relationship we need to build up. If A and B are married, we denote it by equals. If A and B are having kids, it's nothing but the next generation. The next generation is denoted by the arrow downwards. If the kids over here is a male or a female, it is denoted by the same thing. If these both are siblings, it is denoted by double arrow. So the kids can be C and D. Now, if B is having a brother, P is having a brother, E. What's the relationship between E and C? What's the relation between E and C? Or how is E related to C? Uncle. Who is C for E? Nephew. And who is D for E? E is the nephew, or C is the nephew for E, and D is the niece for E. Now, if E is married, what's the relationship between F and B? B. Sister-in-law. Okay. What's the relationship between A and E? Brother-in-law. So if A is also having siblings. Now, what's the relationship between K and C? Cousins. Okay. What is the relationship between G and C? Aunt. And for who is C for G? Nephew. So how do you differentiate between the nephew of G and nephew of E? So this is going to be, E is going to be maternal, C is going to be maternal nephew for E, and C is going to be paternal nephew for A. G. This is going to be paternal side. This is going to be maternal side. Fine. Her parents, his parents. Now, what's the relationship between M and A? Who is A for M? Who is A for M? Father-in-law. Who is P for B? Yes, mother-in-law. Who is P for B? It is mother-in-law. Okay. What is the relation between P and C? Grandmother. So here also for N is also C is grandmother. For M, C is grandfather. O, grandfather. And this becomes the grandson for these people. So how do you differentiate between the father's side and the mother's side? Again, it is going to be paternal and maternal. This is going to be paternal grandfather, maternal grandfather. Now, if in case there is another generation also available, Q. Now, who is Q for C? Great grandfather. This is grandfather. This is great grandfather. Right? Okay. Great. So now these are the relations what you can remember. And whenever you are solving blood relation question, draw the family tree and then start solving the question. That is going to be the easy method which we have seen in the blood relation also. So now let us start with the problems. Only 2 different problems. Just try to solve it. The same statements A to E, and the question is given: if M is aunt of T, is M aunt of T? Is the given question. You need to find is this true or false. Start. Read the statement carefully, starts answering the question. The answer is only B. Let's see how it is. K is the son of M. K is the son of M. So M is here. So K is the son of M. Okay, fine. K is brother of J. Brother of J, siblings. J is daughter of D. J is daughter of D. Sorry, daughter. This is circle. Okay. J is daughter of D. N is sister of D. N is sister of D. N is sister of D. T is daughter of N. T is daughter of N. Now they're asking, is M aunt of T? M aunt of T. We do not know the gender of M. So we cannot tell that option 1 is the right answer. It is not possible. Fine. It is not possible. So it is not option number. Okay, great. Next one. L is father of T. L is father of T. N is mother of T. N is mother of T. T is brother of N. T is brother of N. Okay. T has 2 children, J and K. Okay. T has 2 children, J and K. M is married to D. So M is married to D. Okay. M is married to T. Now they're asking, M is aunt of T. Yes, M is aunt of T. The statement 2 is enough for us to complete the or answer the given question. So this is the given statement 2 is enough for us to answer the fine. Clear or any doubts? Here it is conclusively telling that M is the aunt of. Fine. Any doubts? How did you get both A and B? It's okay. Aunt is common for both like male and female. It is not going to change. So the gender is not essential role. Okay. So if it is told as aunt uncle means the gender is not necessary because in both the statements aunt and uncle will be fine. Okay. Next one. Try it out. Easy one. Both statements are required. Okay. Let us see. Online. What's the answer?
A, sir. A. Option A.
Option A. Okay. You people answer. What? Yeah. Others? Yes. Option A is right. Option A is right. Let us see. How is R related to N? They're asking the relation between R and N. First statement, let us take. R is son of M. R is son of M. Whose daughter? Whose daughter? Whose means M's daughter. M's daughter. Whose daughter is mother of N. Whose daughter is mother of N. Means M's daughter is a mother of N. Is a mother of N. Okay. Whose daughter is mother of N. Now they're asking the relation. Okay. Now, so it's going to be the uncle. Uncle. So it is giving the relation for us. Okay. Still, if you're not convinced, you go for the second option also. M is father of R. M is father of R, right? And S. S is also siblings. And sorry. And S is mother of M. And S is mother of N. And father of R. And S is mother of N. S is mother of N. Now, can you find out the relation between R and N? No, obviously you cannot find it out. So this gives us the conclusive evidence of the relation between R and N. Option A is absolutely right. Even if you combine both, is it going to give you some meaningful sentence or not? M is father of R. So it is like opposite to that. So it is just like simply wasting our time. So now A is the option for this given question. Okay. Now this is the type of data sufficiency problems which will come across to you. Now in the last class we had worked on some age-related problems. I don't know if evening batch students have attended it. Okay. Just go back and check it out once. Okay. That is one. And practice these kind of problems. They might ask these kind of questions in your PGCET math. Banking, for sure they'll ask these kind of questions. Banking people, for sure they'll ask these kind of questions. Math, CMAT, there are certain questions coming up like this also. Okay? So you can like practice. It is easy to prep. Sorry, PGCET also there is a possibility, but not 100%. In case of your PGCET, they'll ask the questions from your data in all from your bar graph, pie graph, and all these kind of questions. These kind of questions might come, might not come. The chances are there. Okay, the last 10 years, like only 1 or 2 times it has been these kind of questions. But if it comes, it is easy to score. And for banking people, spend more time on these kind of questions also. That will be helpful. Okay, so this is one of the easy topics which I have to complete today. Any doubts in this? This practice is more than sufficient in this. Okay, any doubts online? 7 questions I did. I'll share this presentation with you. You can just practice accordingly. You can do it. Fine.